What we've done in our communities to make a difference is something we should all be very proud of. In the face of COVID, a global pandemic, not only have you done wonderful work inside of our buildings, but many of us have stepped way outside of our buildings and done wonderful things in our communities. We are not only the trusted health partner in Delaware County, we're also the trusted community partner.
At Crozier Health, we pride ourselves in taking care of our patients, not just in the hospitals, but in the community as well. We have many of our employees that throughout this pandemic have stepped up to not only provide the best quality care in the hospitals, but in the communities to ensure that everyone was taken care of. I could not be more proud as a Chief Nurse Executive of everyone I work with and everything they have done to help others throughout this pandemic.
If you notice, all of our hospitals are in a particular community. You think of Crozier, it's in Chester, it's in Upland. You think of Springfield. They are all community-based hospitals. Delaware County is in Drexel Hill. So the hospital is part of the community. I would say most of the individuals that work for the health system live in the community. So we are basically taking care of our own.
We celebrated Earth Day by helping out the Ruth Bennett Farm, the community garden, and we helped them with weeding, assembling new planter boxes for them. We want the community to know that each individual is not just a number to us. They're a face, they're people that we see every day in our practices, and that we care about them.
I partner with Senior Health. I partner with EMS. We do health assessments for patients. We do flu shots. Sometimes it's just kind of hooking them up with resources. And then we may go to senior centers to do stroke education, stroke risk assessments. We go to casinos, to churches, any opportunity we have to reach folks, especially those that may be at a higher risk or may not have access to some of the services that we can offer.
I think it is very important for any organization, especially one as large as ours, to work in the community as much as possible. I joined the Swarthmore Fire Department in the year 2000, so I've been a member there for 21 years, holding various roles and responsibilities. Currently, I'm one of the assistant chiefs. I think I've always lived my life with a certain credo, and that is essentially, if not me, then who? And that I should also try to do all the good that I can in all the ways that I can.
In the community, I am a coach for East Greenwich Soccer Association as well as East Greenwich Baseball. So I essentially coach one soccer team and two baseball teams. Getting Crozier's name out there, being part of the community, that gives our patients and customers the trust in our organization that we're not only there to provide care for them when we're in the hospital or they're in the hospital, but we're able to service the needs of the community and be an active participant.
As a nurse, I do pride myself on caring for people and making a difference. And when I leave work, I do a lot of basketball and baseball coaching. Lately I've got into travel baseball, 12 to 14-year-old. By getting out there, we can help young kids as well as the elderly and just show that, we are a part of the community and we do care about the community, not just those who are sick who come into the hospital.
With us being in the field in the 69th Street area and taking care of those that may not be able to get care, we are putting our best foot forward and making that happen, because quite frankly, they're probably not going to get that care from anywhere else. We're doing vaccines, we're out there doing standbys at your local sporting events. We're doing a lot of things out in the community with the Boy Scouts, Girl Scouts. The things that you see us at in the community are folks that are coming in addition to their normal 911 duties.
I'm so proud to be able to celebrate the work that we do both in our buildings and in the community. There's a joy that comes with helping people when they need you most. So thank you so much for doing what you do. Be well, do good. Delco is counting on you. Keep up the great work.